Westpac share trading allows you to buy and sell shares online through their secure platform. Here's how to use it. Sign up for share trading. Visit the Westpac share trading website. Click on Join Now and follow the prompts to create a trading account. Provide your personal details, verify your identity, and link your bank account. Log in. Once your account is set up, log into the Westpac share trading platform using your username and password. Fund your account. Transfer funds into your trading account from your linked bank account to ensure you have money available to buy shares. Research stocks. Use the platform's research tools to analyze stocks. You can access market data, news, charts, and stock recommendations. Use the search bar to look up specific stocks or browse sectors for investment opportunities. Place an order. To buy shares, go to the Trade tab. Enter the stock ticker symbol, the number of shares you want to buy, and select the order type. Review the details and confirm the order. Monitor your portfolio. Check your portfolio to see an overview of your holdings, including current market values and performance. Access the Portfolio tab to view detailed information about your investments. Sell shares. To sell shares, go to the Trade tab, enter the stock symbol, select Sell, and specify the quantity. Choose the order type, review, and confirm the order. Set up alerts. Set up price alerts to get notifications about significant changes in the market or specific stocks.